Let's get an overview about PowerDirector video editing course. The first video will be on Introduction to PowerDirector. In short, we call PowerDirector as PD. In this video, I'll be talking about the commonly used terminologies in PowerDirector and also the different tools and icons available. We can even understand the complete functionality of PowerDirector in this video. Text template. I'll be showing you how to use predefined text template and also we'll create and design our own template. Transition, effect and particle room. In these videos, I'll explain about predefined and custom features available in PD. Taking snapshot. Here we will see how to create snapshot of a video. Quick access tools. In this section, we will be learning how to make quick videos using simple tools. In-depth. Here we will be exploring PowerDirector in depth like audio editing, magic tools, power tools, blending effect and etc. Advanced video editing. In this section, we will be looking into a bit more professional tools like chroma key, 360-degree video editing, motion tracker and finally, we will create some exciting videos. Thank you.